it's Mozario here. So we're going to go into the next segment of this tutorial. We're creating a bathroom faucet, a simple one with a single handle, and we're going to get started. We have our three views in place: side view, top view, front view. We're going to stay in solid at the top. You have surface mesh, sheet metal, all that good stuff. We're going to stay in solid. We're going to keep it simple. Create sketch, and we want to create sketch on the right plane. So you want to click on that face. By the way, for the ones who are joining, I'm using Windows computer, so the hotkeys and everything is going to correspond with the Windows operating system. So with that being said, I'm left clicking on the face here, and that's going to put us in the right view. We'll be able to sketch on this plane or anything on this plane pretty much. But we're going to keep it simple. We're not looking for exact dimensions. We just want to match up to the picture as best we can. So we're going to click on line. Okay. Going to go down to the origin, kind of hover over it. You will see it snap. Left click and carry it over. Same thing. Actually, it's Control Z. I'll try that again. I don't like that. Boom. And you just keep left clicking. The cool thing about this system, it allows for you to snap and create constraints. So you see it goes into like 90-degree constraints if you want it. You can alter the angle of the line if you want. You can find a midpoint, end point, things like that. So it's you can create a pretty good drawing. Like if you need exact numbers, it will allow for you to do that. If you're creating a mold or maybe you're doing, putting this on the CNC machine, then you can do these things. Create exact dimensions. You can type it in. So yeah, let's continue. But that's a cool feature about this program. Okay. And now we're going to carry over, and you see it kind of locks into the 90-degree constraint, right? So it's going to, oh, here we go. What we need to do, let's kind of hover back down to the origin, drag it back up, and you see it snaps the origin. So if you drag it up, it actually snap along this line, and it would automatically create a 90-degree for you. So you click it, and it's going to allow you to click onto the next. It could snap, or you can put it wherever you want this endpoint. We're going to just snap back into place. Okay, there you go. Now if you look, there's a highlight. We created a profile, and we're going to use the revolve tool. Let's finish this sketch first. We're going to revolve. You see it's a option in the menu already. Click on it. It's highlighted. It's asking us for the axis. We want to go along this. Let me make this invisible for a second. Okay. We're going to choose this little blue. You can kind of see it. Blue. Boom. All right. We have the base, the first part of the base. Okay. So you look around and you see this is what you have. Yeah, nothing crazy. We're going to make some alterations later. Okay. Now what we want to do, press OK. And you're good to go. So we've created a new body. Just from a profile, a simple profile. We use the profile, revolve, and just like that is good to go. Now we're going to create another body. Okay. Let's go to our top view, and we're going to create a cylinder, but you want to sketch on it. So you want to create sketch. Now, the cool thing about this, it actually let you sketch right onto the body you just created. So we're going to sketch right onto that. We want to create a center, diameter, circle. Okay. Now, if you look up here, it's going to give you a few options. You can do a 2-point, 3-point, 3 tangent circle. You can do a center one, 2 tangent. So it gives you plenty of options. You can even do construction lines if you want to. Well, again, we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to the center diameter circle, hover over to the origin. We're going to drag it out, and we just want to create an offset. Nothing too crazy. If the diameter of the base is 2 inches, we're going to go 1.8. That's going to give us a 0.2 offset. Okay. Now we're going to go into isometric, which is you want to click on the house. That's going to put us in isometric view. Okay. Now, and that shows 3 views simultaneously. So it's going to be right side, front, and top. Now, what we want to do is extrude this surface we just created. So you want to finish the sketch. You want to go up here to extrude. Click this surface. So it gives you the option to highlight different surfaces. You can extrude this one if you want, or you create another one. You can. This program has some cool features. So we're going to drop it back down. We're going to extrude this one, but we're only going up a little bit. We just need an offset from the body. So if you look, go back down to the, well, if you click on the right side view, you just want to extrude up just a little bit. Okay. And you want to join. Press OK. Now we have the second part. Okay. Now we're going to go back to this. We want to click on it. Well, create sketch. Click on it. Center diameter circle, top view. Hover over to origin, left click it, and we're going to go 2 inches. Go to isometric, and there you have it. Okay. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Now, I did that fairly quickly, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Okay. So I did a multi-highlight. So I click on the surface we want to draw on, well, extrude. And since we created an outside diameter, the original diameter of 2 inches, we're going to hold down the shift key, left click that outer, and it's going to highlight both. Extrude. We're going to go up, right side view. We're going to extrude to that point. Okay, there you have it. We want to join. Now we're good to go. So now we have the base of the faucet. Now we can even give it some character too. We're going to go to isometric. We're going to get rid of these sharp lines. The easy way of doing that is clicking on fillet. I'm not going to do it. We don't need a chain. So let's click on this surface. And we're going to bring it back. Let's say we're going to do it like, we're going to take it back maybe 50 thousandths of an inch. It's a little much. We'll do 10 thousandths. Let's do, we'll do 2 thousandths. So we're just kind of playing with the numbers. We want to soften the edges, and we're just adding a radius to the edges. So we're going to stick with 0.02 or 20 thousandths of an inch. You can even do a multi as well. So let's try tangent chain. Uh, I don't like that. Let's hold down. Let's see. Actually, let's do one at a time. Let's just do one at a time. Gonna press OK. That's gonna lock it in. We're just gonna do the same thing. If you right click it, it's going to give you some options. Left click, repeat, fill it. We're gonna do the same thing. Yep. Okay. We're gonna go underneath. Okay. Same thing. Right? Isometric. Now the cool thing too is you can multi-select. So we're going to choose this edge. Hold down the shift key. Hold down the shift key. Repeat, fill it, and it should allow us to do it. Yep, it did. So that'll make things easier too, a bit more seamless. I'm gonna do the same thing up here. Well, you know what? Let's hold off. All right. Let's see. Yeah, let's hold off now. Okay, so this is what we have so far for the base of the faucet. Let's get rid of these pictures and that'll show you all what we're doing so far. Okay, so that's the base of it. Nothing too crazy. We just soften some edges. And that'll end this segment for now. The next segment, I'm gonna show you all how to create the stem that the water comes out of. So you guys are gonna like that one. Stay tuned for the next segment. I thank you all for tuning in, following along. Again, we're using Autodesk Fusion 360 to create a basic faucet, single handle faucet. I thank you all and tune in for the next segment. Thank you all for tuning into the second video of my tutorial series for creating a faucet, bathroom faucet in Fusion 360. Please like and subscribe and tune in for the next part of the series. We're going to be creating a stem for this faucet. Stay tuned, it's going to be great.